Hello, friends. Today we're making an easy lemon squeezy, delicious dessert called Lemon Posset. I'm starting with 3 fresh lemons. First, I cut them in half, then carefully scoop out the inside, making lemon cups. I strain the juice because we only want the smooth juice in our dessert. Now into my saucepan goes 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/3 cup of sugar, and just a pinch of salt. Give everything a good stir over medium heat. Keep stirring as it heats. You'll see little bubbles begin to form around the edges. That's exactly what you're looking for, but don't let it come to a full boil. Once it's nice and hot, remove it from the heat and stir in the fresh lemon juice. Now let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes before carefully spooning the creamy mixture into each lemon half. Place them in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours until they're perfectly set. Now for the best part, the taste test. It's incredibly smooth and creamy with just the right balance of sweet and tangy lemon. Every bite tastes fresh, rich, and refreshing.